Did you know a storm spotter once had to choose between his job and saving his own daughter? May the 20th, 2013. Morse, Oklahoma. Jim watches the radar from his spotting station. The tornado signature is massive, Category 5, but something makes his blood run cold. He knows this path. His fingers shake as he traces the storm's route. It's heading straight for Plaza Towers Elementary, where his 8-year-old daughter Sarah sits in her 3rd grade classroom. The radio crackles. All spotters report tornado position. Jim's voice breaks. Tornado's heading directly for Plaza Towers Elementary. Estimated arrival in 12 minutes. He grabs his keys, races to his truck. The radio explodes with chatter, emergency crews mobilizing. But Jim knows the truth. 12 minutes isn't enough time for a full evacuation. He floors the gas pedal, watching the wall cloud in his rearview mirror. A father's worst nightmare, a spotter's greatest fear. Sometimes the storm hits closer to home than you ever imagined. Like and follow for more daily stories.